Hello, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Archege. I'm a fitness coach and I run a business called Such a Fitness. So I'm going to show you 3 push-up progression that worked for me over the years to be able to do a push-up. So I started with the incline, then modified, then the stand-up push-up. Yeah, so enjoy and subscribe. I check my position, make sure my arms are aligned, my shoulders are above my wrist, and I slowly take my chest forward and downwards into an incline push-up. So this one, you're basically on your knees, taking your chest down and forward. This was hard for me at first, but with practice it gets easier. Last but not least is the standard push-up, which I took so long to get here, but I'm finally so happy that I can be able to do a few good ones, and I'm looking forward to doing more with this. I hope you enjoyed the video. It wasn't so detailed. I tried to make a more detailed one, but in the meantime, subscribe and share.